Now, the JUTC services could be available in Negril and other parts of Westmoreland in another few weeks. Transport Minister Daryl Vaz signaled the government's intention after stakeholders called for the service. The details in this report. JUTC buses spotted on the streets of Clarendon, a welcome addition to the public transport offerings for residents of rural Jamaica. In fact, this is the latest communiqué from the Transport Minister indicating the plans to go even deeper into rural parts of Jamaica with the JUTC service. Areas such as Williamsfield, Chapelton, Linstead and Bogwalk among the planned routes. But further west in Negril, stakeholders are asking what about them? They too want the service in the tourism mecca.
We need a proper bus service for our workers and for our children to go to school. And it's not asking for a lot. Our contribution to the country's economy, where tourism is concerned, we contribute 29%. We can easily add 50% to our contribution just by the government playing their part.
But can the road network support these buses? And are the commute loads consistent enough?
Coming from Lucy to Negril, Negril to Savlamar, Negril to Grange Hill, that's where our workers come from. None of us would be happy to have our wives and our daughter at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock at night, jumping into a crowded taxi, have to pay 3 times the price. I think they could come here. I think financially it would be more profitable than anywhere else. I think our people deserve it. And I'm calling on our MP and our political representative of whatever stripe you are to work with us to push.
The issue was put to Transport Minister Daryl Vaz.
Cabinet recently approved the Montego Bay Metro to be taken over by the JUTC. So we are developing a comprehensive plan in relation to that. We currently have 18 buses in Montego Bay Metro. 12 of them are under 2 years old. So a reasonably new and efficient fleet. We're currently doing Trelawney, Hanover, Westmoreland, and St. James. So Negril would be an easy one to do, as we are now currently in Hanover and parts of Westmoreland. So I'd expect that Negril would be able to get service by March of this year.
The minister explained the target groups for the JUTC service in Negril would be tourism workers, school children and other vulnerable groups.